Just making sure that everybody can see me. And right now, so what I like to do is I follow the weather like everybody does, but I follow it 3 to 5 days in advance with the intent of bicycling. And there's a big storm heading for the East Coast, and it looks like I have about 2 hours worth of riding before the rain and then the snow starts. And the temperature's going to be cold later this week. So what's going to happen is if the snow or the ice stays, then I might lose the chance to ride for, could be sometimes 3 or 4 weeks up here, about 30 miles inland from the Atlantic Ocean. And very silly looking guy. I have on 5 shirts, 2 coats, sweatshirt, scarf, and I wear these things. These help you control the temperature around your forehead as well as keep your eyes, your tears from freezing over. And you know, this is just part of year-round bicycling when you live in the Northeast, where you have to just really stay ahead of it. And I have found that if I stop riding for 3 to 5 days, it's tough to get back out there. So here I go. And in the background, I've got some large Sony headphones on. I like the large ones better than the earbuds because it's easier for me to adjust them when I'm riding. And temperature right now is about 36 degrees with wind is about 3 miles an hour. And again, like I just said, gotta always try to ride before the storms. And this 3 mile an hour wind is literally a calm before a storm. So, you know, very fortunate to live in a place that has no traffic at night. So here we go. Sometimes I pretend I'm in England and I ride on the wrong side of the road. It's a joke, but this is where the lights are. Silly guy. Serious cycler. I got in before the snow. Snow is just getting ready to come down. And I'm trying the 2-camera angle here. And I learned not to go in with all this gear on, cause I'll overheat as soon as I get in. So just kind of hoping for a little more snow for the dramatic effect for the cameras. And so, of course, ski gloves. Got my Home Depot goggles, I swear. They are the best in the world. Totally covers the eyes. Keeps your forehead warm in the winter. Left and right up, you can cool down if you get hot. And got these, I like the big headphones over the earbuds. I find these are easier to manipulate when you're riding. And get sillier as I go down. Got an underliner, rain jacket, a wool knit hat, glasses, another winter coat, winter scarf. And, I find that the scarf is critical. I find that you really need to put the scarf on before the coat. This looks silly. That's what it is. Silly guy, serious cycling. And so, if you ride a lot in January, February, and early March, you'll be in such great shape when the spring comes around that you don't have to go through that panic. Again, got on a regular sweatsuit, sweatshirt there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have on 5 shirts. And stand out here for a minute and cool down. Listen to the tunes of Alison Krauss. Well, that is all. And this is my ride when I'm done. See, I have right now I don't have a lot. I have 3 strobes on the back. And 3 strobe lights up front. And this was the second camera that I had running, trying to see how this takes a look if I keep the cameras running for when I arrive home. And you know, this is the purpose of this particular video is to kind of show the amount of preparation that's necessary. If you're going to ride at night, you've got to have good lighting, strobes, equipment, and it's just a blast to be able to do this at 56 years old.